Mga kapuso, sagad sa mga bata karon sa pagdula na og gadgets nakatuon ang ilang atensyon. Apan kining ato makauban karong buntaga, nakatutok sa pag-share og Bible stories pinaagi sa iyang vlogs. Atong makauban karon si Orange Morales ug si Mother Gems. Mother Gems ug Orange, maayong buntag ug dayon sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta na mo?
We are doing good.
Yes po. Good morning po sa ating lahat, lalo na po sa mga kapuso ng mga viewers natin. Good morning po.
Well, mga kapuso, murag mapasabak kita sa Englishan, ani. Bitaw, I just want to say hi first to Orange. Hi, Orange! I've seen your videos and while watching, I am very amazed the way you delivered Bible stories. I'm wondering how old are you and what grade are you in right now?
Hello guys! I am so happy seeing all of you again. My name is Jamaica's G. Morales if you're not aware who I am. I am happy that you are amazed and I am 7 years old and I am a grade 2 learner.
Great to hear no nga as young as 7 ay ang galing mo na sa communication, Orange. Mother Gems, at a very young age, paunsa ni mo nakita ang skills ni Orange sa vlogging?
Actually, sir, kung vlogging, dili kay nako siya masulti na vlogging, sir, no? Kaya sa 2 years old pa siya, i-commend na sa iyahang pediatrician niya, si Dr. Layog, na maayo siya o communication skills. So dito pa lang, murag na kuan nami sa iyahang papa na maayo siguro ni communication skill ato ang anak. And then after that, mahilig na siya manguha sa mong cellphone, and then she will video herself playing toys and sharing her ideas. Hantod nag 7 years old siya, mashock na lang ni sa amo ang camera sa daghan na kay videos ng mga vloggings niya. So from that, nakita na mo na, uy, naan siguro ni talent amo ang anak ani.
Mother Gems, of all the topics and themes, ngano ang Bible stories ang inyong napili nga i-vlog?
Wow! That was great! Did you guys follow me? That's wonderful! Let us now start our third episode called Noah and the Great Flood. Noah was a man who worshipped God.
Sa pandemic, sir, sige jud sulti sa ako na, Mama, I miss going to church. Mama, I miss Sunday school. Mama, I miss my Sunday school teachers, pastor, and doing Sunday school stuff. Sisig anak sa kuha, sige pangulit, sir, na dili man gid pwede. Though last few weeks nakabalik na ang simba, dili gyapon siya pwede makasimba. So murag na feel na ko, murag na ay guilt inside my heart na dili man gid siya ma-deprive sila ba. So nangay wisdom sa Ginoo unsaon ako siya pag design sa channel sa iyahang ministry. And then I asked her kung willing ba siya mag-play as the teacher sa iyahang ministry kay durag dili biya siya, di ko siya lalim. Kay wala kong kabalo sa iyahang talent o siyang skills kay dili kami naga-vlog duha ana orag wala gid sa amoa. So when she said yes, so nag-go na ko. So nag-study jud ko, sir, nagtuon ko editing, as in nagtuon ko jud ko kabalo. Nagtuon ko editing, wala mi gamit, wala mi microphone, cellphone lang gid among gamit sa among first 3 videos. And then it took me 5 hours to edit her first video, sir, as in ana gyud pulaw-pulaw. And then so that's it. So naka-come up mi na siya, sir, na Bible story siya ang dili nila himuon ni Orange para ma-reach out tong mga bata na deprived going to church.
Well, believe po jud ko sa ka-supportive ni Mother Gems. Orange, why are you enjoying creating videos and talking in front of the camera?
I find it fun and easy, and it's like you're having a normal conversation. Express your feelings and talking to someone.
Orange, what have you learned after reading Bible stories?
I have learned a lot of good values, like the one from honesty and obedience. Let's start with obedience. Moses and Noah, I think? Yes. Next is honesty and dishonesty. Jacob, he pretended to be Esau, his older brother. He pretended to be him from his father. And because he did that, he His mom told him to do that because his mom wanted him to get the blessing.
So as a daughter,
So as a daughter, I have to obey and be always honest to my parents and my sister, as I should say, and to all other peoples, even my teachers.
I hope everyone watching us now were able to understand the message of honesty and obedience. Orange, what do you love most about sharing God's words and teachings?
What I love most is that I am giving lessons to children and I can teach them to be a good children.
Orange, what do you want to become in the future?
I want to be a doctor for children, which is called pediatrician, and also a vlogger.
Daghan kay salamat Mother Gems ug our future pediatrician Orange sa inyong oras ug higayon nga gihatag sa At Home with GMA Regional TV and continue to inspire others.
salamat po. Salamat.
Bye-bye!
Bye. God bless all.
Bye-bye!
Chilak sa mo mga kapuso, mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.